The first line I national anthem. Ono sure say ono want me for singing ya. Cause if me singing ya, me I go broke it down. Me I go broke it down. Hello and good evening. Welcome to a brand new episode of How Much Do You Know, where we test contestants around the world about their true culture. I'm your host, Jasmine Noor. Tonight's contestants are from Jamaica. We have Michelle Brown. What? Made up on TV? Hello? You know say I'm me a go win. I'm me a go win. And Jermaine Smith. Let's get straight into it. Michelle, Jermaine, are you ready? Yeah man, me ready. Yeah man. Okay, first question. Who is the president of Jamaica? Me know this one, yeah. Michelle, me know this one, yeah. The president of Jamaica is Vybz Kartel. Not quite. Jermaine? A Barack Obama boss lady. Barack Obama. Not quite either. Vybz Kartel is a Jamaican rapper. Barack Obama is the president of the United States. So my answer name better than theme one. At least me say somebody in a Jamaica. Where you gone all the way to the United States for? At least me say a president. Next question. What is the capital of Jamaica? Me know this one, yeah. Me definitely know this one, yeah. The capital of Jamaica, a J. That's quite. Why you mean wrong? Your name just asks, what is the capital of Jamaica?
Yes.
So it's J, the first letter of Jamaica is the capital letter. J is the capital letter. That's still not the answer. Jermaine? Ghetto. Ghetto, I answer. Ghetto. No, that's not the answer. That's not the answer either. Okay, the next question. What colours are on the Jamaican flag? Me know this one, yeah. Me definitely know this one, yeah. You can't even tell me say it wrong because me know say it right. Alright. The colour them pan the Jamaican flag is give me a chance now. Sure. Me to see a flag the other day, you know.
Your time is running out.
You can't give people chance. Sure. Alright. The colour them pan the Jamaican flag is green and yellow. And before you even tell me say it right, can me not say it right. Me know this because I only green and yellow depend rain never your rum buckle. So that me not only green and yellow the panny flag. Go on, tell me say it right.
You are wrong.
What you mean say wrong?
Jermaine?
No, me don't know that the one there. That's the answer wrong. Yeah, wear the Jamaican flag pan you. Listen, on the naga make me lose my job, you know. On the naga make me lose my job. I just made a seat. So me can't get it right. Come here, wear it.
No.
On a teeth. Okay, the last question. What is the first line of the Jamaican national anthem? I'm gonna take this one. Jermaine. The first line, I know, sweet, sweet Jamaica, something another, sweet, sweet, we not left ya, something like that, man, something like that.
Not quite. Michelle?
You ain't Egypt, cause you know this. Everybody know this. Sure. Alright. The first line I national anthem. Ono sure say ono want me for singing ya. Cause if me singing ya, me I go broke it down. Me I go broke it down. Alright. You ready? The first line I national anthem is everybody up a ox when me get me clocks. Tell me say me wrong. Cause me know say me right.
You are wrong.
So neither of them won, which means neither of them get the prize. Thank you for tuning in to tonight's episode. Goodbye now. Are we off air? Oh nah, idiot! Lad, on a company show, on a come show up Jamaica. Oh nah, idiot!
Jasmine, we're still live.
We're still on air?
Yes.
Good night.